Yeah, it's fantastic today to reveal this car with such a great livery. Looks amazing, very progressive, and fits very well to the brand purpose, driven by dreams. From the whole team, it was a really big effort because the time schedule was quite short, and to develop such a car, such a complex car with this rear powertrain, and then go testing in parallel with the Gen 2 race season, season 8, and yeah, also the last weeks was quite exhausting, but the team did a great job, and we are now looking forward to head into the pre-season test in Valencia soon. Yeah, it's a new step when you see where Formula E is coming from, Gen 1, Gen 2. Now in season 9 we arrive on Gen 3, and a big step was done there with this front powertrain, the pure concept of the car, where we now achieve recuperation and recovering the energy of around 40% of a race distance, or what we spent during racing. It's the next huge step. It's a very complex car with new tires, a new tire supplier, and we learn every day. Every kilometer we run, we are learning, we are step by step increasing the performance of the car. We work on the topics we identified, but there's a lot of work to do until the first race in Mexico.